Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. I'll be launching a learning series which consists of a series of playlists on this YouTube channel. Now, you might be thinking whom should follow the playlist and how to follow that I'll be launching very soon. So, the answer is who's from or not from tech background, working or aiming to work in IT industry or pursuing any tech degree can follow this. The aim of this series is to make you all industry ready and cover everything from development to testing of softwares. We will be focusing on what to study after getting placed also. Before telling what the first playlist is, I'll give a brief introduction about myself. So, I'm Kanashka. I'm from Kurukshetra and I completed my bachelor's degree from IIT Roorkee. I was a part of various prestigious groups in IIT Roorkee, Data Science Group, Artificial Intelligence and Electronic Society, and American Society of Mechanical Engineering. Right now, I'm working as a software developer at Jaguar Land Rover, India. Coming back to what this playlist is about, that will be our first playlist. So, the first playlist is test driven development with Python. You all must have heard various jargons like TDD, Selenium, Django, React, functional testing, unit testing, integrated testing, etc. These might seem a little overwhelming at first, but that's absolutely fine. I'll cover everything to make you understand these jargons clearly. We will be following TDD cycle. Now, you might ask, what is TDD cycle or test driven development cycle? Now, this means that we will be writing the test for our web apps that we will be building and then see the expected failure after running the test and then go back and do the necessary changes in the code as much as needed. And by this, we will learn the purpose of every line of code. I must tell you, every line of code that we will write, it will be a quite new and fun way of learning web development rather than going for conventional procedure. Now, coming to prerequisites. Requisites are learning basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Come back and we'll start. The book that I'll be following is Test Driven Development with Python by Harry J.W. Percival. Now, due to copyright issues, I can't share the link. You can easily find the soft copy on the web. I recently ordered the hard copy. It's a fantastic book, I must say. Now, you might ask, okay, Kanishka, we understand what's your first playlist, but why? Why do we need to go through this process? What's the main advantage? We can simply write HTML, CSS, and JS and React, etc., whatever we want to do. Why do we want to include the test and make the code base more complex? Now, this my answer to that question would be that by doing this, what you will be doing is writing tests for every single line. Yeah, that's a tedious task and that will take a little extra time. Now the thing is that because you are writing the test for smaller blocks, you can just integrate that for larger blocks and you don't have to assign that task of writing the test to someone and that person had to like have to go through the code base or do the scrolling and asking you what is this. What you are doing is while you are building, you are writing the test. By this you are saving the time, saving the resources that you will allocate to the testing person. And also, let's say you and your friend are doing a project and now you both made changes, but the web app is failing. So you might think, okay, now whose is failing? We don't know. Like clearly we don't know. Yeah, you can go to the terminal and console. That I agree. But let's say there are some logical errors. Now you won't be able to find whose error was that. Now if you both follow the approach of test driven development, you will be able to easily find, okay, this particular line and this. And also you will get more clarity about the error that you will be getting if you write the test along with that. So yeah, that's all. Stay tuned for the upcoming playlist. I promise it will be fun and focused on practical implementation rather than just learning in the air everything and then just going boom to the production level code and getting confused. Oh my god, I learned so basic. How can I go through this? So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep growing.